Hello guys, I'm Lokendra and you can call me Loki in short.
I'm Udit and I have recently picked an interest in making cosplays.
I've been cosplaying for the past 2 years and here we are cosplaying at WCS.
We are doing solo leveling
I'm Egeris.
and I'm Sanjinu.
Do support us. Arigato gozaimasu.
Job change quest. Yes. Knight Commander Egris the Blood. Effective, I'll just switch things up. Let's throw hands. Knight Commander Egris the Blood Red, will you submit to my control? Arise. What? Right, it told me there's a chance it could fail. 2 more tries. Arise! Waiting for your king. How can you be certain he'll return? Knight Commander Egris, you are a warrior. That means your purpose is to cut down your foes. Will you let your blade rust in this crumbling ruin? Or will you rise above that fate and serve me? Instead of defending the throne of a fallen king, pledge yourself to the man before you. Arise. Go with me now.